Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's look at an example of graphing an exponential function. Perhaps we had something like this. F of x is equal to negative 2 times 3 to the negative x plus 1, and then maybe minus 1. Okay, so let's go for it. This is a transformation of negative 2 times 3 to the x, where we replaced x with negative x plus 1, and we've shifted down by 1. And if you like, you see this negative, we could just think about that later. Let's think of this whole thing as just being a transformation of this guy right here, 2 times 3 to the x. Now this, again, has an asymptote of y equals 0. It has a y-intercept of 2, and a multiplication slope of 3. Go over 1, multiply by 3, so up to 6 here. And if you go down back the other way, you divide by 3. So if you go back 1, you're down to 2/3. And you just keep on going down to 0 that way. Okay, so this is the beginning graph. Now let's apply the different things to it. We could do y first. The first thing we do is, see this minus 1? That's like a reflection. We reflect the whole deal. So we reflect the whole graph going down that way. Next, you see this minus 1 means we shift it all down 1. Okay, now you see this. Let's see what this does. Negative x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, multiply by negative 1. All right. So what is this? So what does this do? This means that we've moved our x values down by 1, so we've gone to the left. But then after going to the left 1, we reflect. So let's see what that looks like. First, we take this graph right here. We go to the left 1. And then after we go to the left 1, we reflect across the y-axis, or kind of horizontally here. So this value will now be over here, and we've kind of reflected it over. So the final graph will look something roughly like this. So just basically doing transformations from a basic idea of a BMX, where we have intercept, multiplication slope, and we just go for it. Thanks for watching.